How's it going, James? OnlineCarShow.net. Well, got the Vette-Lights side marker video for y'all today. So without hesitation, let's go ahead and get this video started. All right, well, we'll continue this journey with the LED lights. As y'all know, I've replaced so many of the lights on this car with LED. I think it's pretty much almost all the way converted except for a couple interior lights and the headlights after this video. I've replaced the reverse lights, the license plate lights, the tail lights, as y'all know from my last video. We've got the Morimoto tail lights from Vette-Lights, and the fog lights are Morimoto. As well as I've replaced the trunk lights with LED. So only thing left is a couple lights in the interior, and it's pretty much all LED, and the headlights, of course. But I've enjoyed the Vette-Lights products so much. They really put attention to detail into their packaging, as y'all will see here, as well as the product itself. I've had zero issues with the fog lights. I love the way they light up. I'm sure I'll have zero issues with the taillights as well, and they look freaking incredible if y'all saw my last video. So I'm really excited to get these on the car. Just to give a little background here, it was my birthday, November 8th, last Sunday or whatnot, or 2 Sundays ago, whatever. And my son Chris bought me these for my birthday present. So I know he watches my videos. Just want to give a special thank you to him. Thank you so much, and I'm really going to enjoy these. Thank you. Just to let y'all know, we're going to go over an unboxing. I've pretty much already kind of given y'all a review on them, doing the install as well as doing you know, a car montage at the end. And I actually got off my butt and went up and did actual video at one of my favorite spots for photo shoots and whatnot. So you'll have an actual spot other than my driveway for the montage on this one. But let's go ahead and jump in right now to the tools needed. As far as tools I used in this job, I used a 7mm on a screwdriver head, 7mm socket on a screwdriver head, and the other tool I had to use on the front was a small Torx head screwdriver. Other than that, it's just going to take you a little bit of time. You're going to need a jack and 4-way, of course, to take the tires off, the wheels off the car. But it's just going to, this one's going to take you a little bit of time. And actually, you're going to be in the same spot as the fog lights. So if you're planning to do the fog lights, you might do the side markers with it, because you're going to be up around that same area of the car. But honestly, the install wasn't too bad. It just took a little more time jacking up, you know, every corner of the car. It looks freaking spectacular. Well worth it. And their price on these guys, I did a little research ahead of time, just so, because I already know I'm going to get in the comments, oh, you can get these on Amazon for whatever, $55, $56 for the front and $55, $56 for the back. I mean, y'all are talking about $4 or $5 here. Now, Vette-Lights has them on sale for $110, and if you use my discount code of OCS10, you'll actually save 10%. So there you go. That makes these cheaper than what you'll get on eBay and Amazon. Plus, you get the satisfaction of knowing you got a big name brand like Vette-Lights backing up the product. Real quickly here, just want to ask y'all to go ahead and hit that like and subscribe below. That helps my videos to grow and also helps support my channel. And I can't say thank y'all enough. So let's go ahead and get on to the unboxing. All right, well, time for the unbox. As I've mentioned many times before, these guys really pay attention to detail. That's one of the things I really like about them, is just their packaging. And, you know, less chance of you getting damaged stuff or stuff that's not going to last. Let's see what we got here. Packing slip like always. Business card. Got another sticker for the toolbox. More business cards. Packaging there. Little air packaging. Boom. And let's see what we got here. Got a box in a box. front of these should be yellow or orange, however you want to say, and the back should be red. I think they have to do that legally. There we go. Probably not going to take the plastic off on the outside until I'm ready for the install, but just want to show y'all real quickly. And as you can see, I opted for the tinted version. And these are really cool. It's tinted, of course, so it should match like the ones I have on currently. I could have gone with clear to match the taillights, but I really like the black and blue look of the car, so I just went with the tinted. These are really cool because your stock ones will just have one little part over here that lights up, and it's an incandescent bulb, or if you put an LED, it's just that one little part that lights up, and it kind of shines light to the rest, is how it's supposed to work. But when you tint them, all you really get is that one little spot with light. These are really cool. It's LED, so it's less power consumption. And as you can see here, there's a strip of LED lights right here, so it's going to light up like a line of lights. I think they call it laser LED or something like that, but it's a really cool effect of the car, and should just add a little bit more detail to it. Just to give you all, I can give you all a little sneak peek at how they look there. So there's the unboxing. As I mentioned, their attention to detail, these were packaged really well, just like the rest of them. They always include a sticker, a couple business cards, your packing slip, everything you need. So now we'll get on to the install. So I got the stock ones off of one side. I've already installed the new ones. That's why there's only 2 of them left here. So we could look at the stock one versus the new one. As you can see here, they are the exact same size. And the fitment was perfect. Can't complain about it. They both have the same mounting tabs as the stock one. You will notice the way these work is you're going to have a bulb that's sticking inside of a socket in there that's on a wire. And all you have to do to really install these is remove that bulb and instead take your new LED light, Vette-Lights side marker and plug it into that socket. Then you're going to just take that socket like it was before in the stock bulb, stick it inside here, and then of course twist it to lock it. That's all there is to it. Pop it back in, and you're done. All right, now that we got the wheel off the ground, we want to take off the tire because we're going to need to access these bolts right here. Now, we've just got these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts across here. We're going to take them off. All right, now that we got those off, we're going to reach inside here with your hand. And what you're trying to do, as you can see here with the one that we're going to put in there, is there's these little tabs. You're basically just going to push on them to release. They're going to be around something there. You'll push from the inside out, and that'll release it outward. Give you a little bit better view. All right, so I'm just going to reach here with my hand, as I said, inside out. There's one tab. Oh, the other one came out automatic. And then from here, you're just going to twist this. What direction is that? Counterclockwise, and then pull once it stops twisting. From there, you're going to remove the bulb. And one thing I found with the wiring, I don't know if this is true, if it works the other way too, and I'm just overthinking it. You'll see here you've got one side that's got a black wire and one side that's got a light white or grayish, whatever color wire, other color than black. I'm guessing that needs to line up, and it worked with the other side. So with the red wire over here, so your white wire is going to line up with that red, and black to black. All right, we'll give it a quick test with the keys. All you got to do is hit the door lock, unlock button. There it goes. All right, I didn't have it all the way in. You want to make sure, I just learned, I felt a little kind of click or pop when I pushed it in all the way. You want to make sure carefully push those in. Now that we know it works, we're going to take it. You're just going to kind of push the wire inside the housing carefully. And then you want to twist it the opposite direction this time. So we're going to go clockwise. Quarter turn, you should feel it stop turning. Then you're good to go. We're going to put it in here, get where you can access the protective cover. Pop it in, remove the cover, and you're done. All we got to do now is put everything back together. All right, from here, you want to go ahead and repeat the same steps to the other side. I'm going to go ahead and, just to save time, move to the rear and show you it. All right, this wheel is a little bit tougher, but nothing too bad. Start off, same sequence. We're going to jack up the car and remove the wheel. All right, so next you're going to feel here on the bottom, you're going to find two 7mm screws right here. And there's also going to be 2 more over here. You're going to need to remove all 4. All right, now that we got all 4 screws out, we got 2 more we're going to remove just to make it a little bit easier to pull out here. You're going to see them on the, one of them's kind of diagonal up there, and one of them's right here on the side. All right, so next we're just going to carefully pull this back, and if you accidentally remove a clip, just put it right back in. And we're going to remove this enough to where you can get up here. You'll find on the other side, yeah, there it is. There's a metal piece here, a support that might block your hand until you get it up over that. So move it up over that. Remember to push from the inside out, both clips. There you go. Counterclockwise to remove. Remove your bulb. Red side's going to go to the gray side on here. Make sure that thing goes all the way in. Clockwise, quarter turn, and pop it in. We're done. Get everything back together. Lower the car, and she is done. All right, I just want to show you kind of the before and after. These are the before stock ones I had with 10 over the top with just incandescent bulbs. And we're going to compare them to, of course, the Vette-Lights, the laser LED, whatnot. So let's see the stock. And here's the after. Again, here's the before. Here's the after. Much better. As you can see, these weren't too bad to install. It's just going to take you a little bit of time jacking up each corner of the car. Let's get on now to, I guess I'll just jump right into the car montage. Here we go. So I got off my butt and gave you a little more than just some garage montage feed for this one. So I hope you enjoyed it. And as you can see, they've already got the lights up at Constellation Field there, and they have a little Christmas thing every year. You can come up there and sit in the stands and look at the lights they put up for Christmas. So really cool there. I can't wait. I've got 2 more mods that I'm planning to order from Vette-Lights. I'm going to, of course do some headlights. These are actually much needed. And the interior lighting, I'm going to go ahead and plan to replace those last incandescent bulbs. Those C6 Corvette owners know you've got a couple bulbs that are inside your rear view mirror, but they are replaceable, and Vette-Lights has a kit for that. So I'll be ordering that from them in the future. And as I mentioned, if y'all want to buy some Vette-Lights products, you want these side markers, tail lights, whatever, be sure to use my code to save 10%. That's OCS10. Also, be sure to go ahead and hit that like and subscribe below. That helps my channel to grow and helps support my channel. And I can't say thank you enough. I hope everybody has a great week, and I'll see you in the next video.